A serene Japanese garden features a winding wooden walkway and a small pond with a bridge. A person rests on a bench near the lush greenery, with a traditional house in the background. This tranquil Japanese garden shows a wooden deck extending over a koi pond where orange fish swim. Warm lights illuminate the white house and lush trees, creating a peaceful mood. This modern minimalist house features a glass door opening to a wooden deck. The interior includes a dining set and TV, while the garden offers views of rolling hills and blue skies. A peaceful backyard features a goldfish pond framed by a wooden deck and stone border. A black lounge chair and pergola sit nestled among lush greenery and a small stone waterfall. At dusk, a wooden pergola adorned with glowing string lights anchors this garden. A small waterfall flows into a pond surrounded by bonsai and lush plants under a deep blue night sky. A wooden deck with a pergola overlooks a vibrant garden pond and waterfall. Two chairs sit amidst ferns and flowers, while a stone path leads toward a house with a dark wood exterior. This quiet garden scene features a small waterfall cascading into a pond. A stone path leads to a quaint wooden house with a dark roof, surrounded by lush green grass and pink flowers. A modern house encloses a Japanese garden with a rock-lined pond and gravel path. Wooden benches sit on the deck, blending glass and wood elements into a very harmonious atmosphere. Goldfish swim in a lush garden pond bordered by rocks and ferns. A wooden deck with a pergola offers a cozy seating area, while colorful planters add a vibrant touch to the greenery. A circular pond with a floral island serves as the heart of this Japanese garden. A person rests on a bench near the traditional tiled roof building, surrounded by peaceful nature. An orange fish swims in a backyard pond featuring a small waterfall. Surrounded by rocks and a wooden fence, the area includes a furnished deck perfect for enjoying the lush garden. This white modern house on a hill features large glass doors opening to a wooden deck. A stone path winds through a garden of trees and rocks, offering a wide, panoramic landscape. A small waterfall flows into a pond on a wooden deck, where red and white fish swim. Surrounded by purple flowers and a wooden fence, this backyard offers a truly tranquil setting. A wooden deck with a table and chairs overlooks a lush garden pond. Stepping stones and rocks lead to a beige house, while the overcast sky casts a soft, peaceful light overall. This Japanese deck garden features autumn leaves and a stone lantern by a pond. Two chairs and a teapot sit near a sliding door that reveals a traditional room with tatami mats.